everyone, my name is Rupal from Lexis & Company. Today I am here to tell you about final invoice. A final invoice is a document issued by a seller or service provider to a buyer or client to request payments for goods or services rendered. It is typically the last invoice issued in a business transaction, indicating that all the obligations have been fulfilled and that no further payments are outstanding. Here's a brief idea of what a final invoice may include. Header. The invoice should have a clear header that includes the word final invoice to distinguish it from the previous invoices. Sender and recipient details. The invoice should include the name, address and contact information of both the seller, service provider and the buyer. This helps ensure that the invoice reaches the intended recipient and facilitates communication if necessary. Invoice number and date. Each invoice should have a unique identification number for record keeping purposes. The date of the invoice indicates when it was issued. Description of goods or services. Provide a detailed description of goods sold or services provided. This may include quantities, unit prices or any applicable discount. Total amount due. Clearly state that total amount due for the goods or services. This should include any applicable taxes or fees. Payment terms. Specify the payment terms such as due date and accepted payment methods. If there are any late payment penalties or early payment discounts, they should be mentioned here. Additional information. Include any information or instructions relevant to the payment, such as bank details for wire transfers or any specific arrangements made between the parties. Company logo and branding. To maintain a professional appearance, consider including your company logo and branding elements on the device. Contact information. Provide contact information such as phone number or email address where the buyer can reach out if they have any questions or concern regarding the invoice. Remember that the specific details and formatting of a final invoice can vary depending on the industry, country and specific business practices. It is always a good idea to consult with an accountant or financial professional to ensure compliance with applicable regulations and to tailor the invoice to your specific business needs.